Okay guys, it's early morning on this fine day, 21st of August. Well, it's not particularly fine, it's still bloody horrible outside. Summer has had it, but has the charts had it? Well, what we're going to do, we're going to look at the economic calendar, see if there's any times you need to be aware of, and also the strengths of the current Forex market, and we'll have a look to see if there's a basket you can pick. Now these are made for the members every day. It's released roughly between 7 and 8 in the morning. Public get it at 10:30. Okay, let's jump into this. So, what we can see is JPY has now risen to the top of the ranks, but it's pushed off the top the USD, which, as we suspected, it will start to weaken because it was at the top of the shop, but it was also losing ground. Now, that may continue because it's still losing ground. So the US dollar can move down, and the euro again is losing ground, and it's in the top three here. So if you're looking at euro dollar and things like that, it can be a little bit problematic. Now yesterday we were looking at US Aussie, and the Aussie is now moving off the bottom. So that's what they're doing. They're moving together. Is it still a good asset to look at? It's not bad. All right, so the Aussie dollar isn't too bad to look at. Now, one of the things that's picked out is US CAD. I'm not a fan of the US CAD. I find it quite a difficult product to trade. It doesn't move that far. It hasn't got a particularly big ATR. But because it's commodity based, it's directional. So if you're on the wrong side of it, it can catch you out. So my kind of go-tos is pound JPY. So if I look at the pound JPY, they are both gaining ground at this moment in time, which is a bit odd. So I'll have to start thinking about what I'm looking at. So it's these two here, and then I've got pound USD. So you'll see over here, these are my sort of go-to baskets. So euro dollar is the furthest apart. Pound JPY sitting on top of each other. Pound US sitting on top of each other, US JPY sitting on top of each other. So they're all pretty tightly compact. So today I wouldn't really be expecting great shakes from them. Sometimes on a day like this, I'll just look at something that I know moves very quick, which is the DAX. Look at the DAX, trade that, and then be done with it. But the currencies, kind of a mixed bag today, and they're very flat. So I'd be really careful. Okay, this takes us over into the economic news. Now there is a lot of news, and there's been a lot of news through the night as well. But it doesn't look as bad as what you think. So if you grab your filters and you take out the low level stuff, what you're left is medium and high impact. Now this morning, talking of the DAX, I will be kind of leaving that alone till after 9, certainly about 10 o'clock, because of this lot. Okay, can catch you out really badly because it's both German and French rushing through with a PMI. It can really throw the market and put you into a world of pain if you've got it wrong. Running over into the morning, you're then going into more pound news, and because the pound in the US is tightly packed, again, it could catch you out off the wrong side, which runs further into this afternoon where there's quite a lot of US data. It's not high impact data as much as what it's saying here, but because there's a lot of it, again, if you're on the wrong side of it, you could possibly get caught in a nasty trade that you'll find it difficult to get out of for a few hours, because this is going to start at 12:30 and it's going to run right through till 3 o'clock. So if you're on the wrong side of it and it keeps on pumping, you're going to have to bear this out till certainly 4 or 5 o'clock tonight if you were in prior to 12:30. So just be a little bit careful, guys. So it's going to be a choppy day today. So my advice is target conservatively and just get in and out quick and be grateful for what you can get. Have yourselves a great day. Catch you soon.